Hey everyone, figured I'd provide a little update on the Vornado MVH that I used to have here. The reason I say I used to have it is because it decided to die under warranty. No, it didn't do it here on video, this is just clever video editing. So anyway, after reaching out to Vornado and sending them back my old MVH unit, they sent me this brand new Vornado VH220 heater. And I have to say, I'm pretty happy with the way Vornado's warranty claim service works. They really do stand behind that warranty. So anyway, I'll provide you some updates on this little VH220 heater here. I'll provide a video review on it and everything like that in an upcoming video that I've got working on here. So with that, I'll go ahead and conclude this video. Please hit that subscribe button to stay tuned because there will be more to come. Later.